Time for a room tour. We're in 702. It's this little entryway where you can go into 702 or 704, and they have these cool surfboard chalkboards. All right. 702, let's go.
Hello, welcome to 10702. Look at this amazing chalkboard. The kids have already been writing stuff. I love Icon. And Ella's little axolotl. So this will be a fun thing for the kids to be able to do when we're stuck in this room. I'm sure there will be many art project on here. And this is where the kids are gonna be staying. They are gonna be staying in this amazing bunk bed area. So 2 in a bed up top, 1 down here by their choice. And what's so cool is each bed has its own television, its own reading light, and very important if you have kids, it's got a little USB charger right there so they can plug in their So then up here, there is a curtain up here for some privacy, which is really nice. And then, wanna see something really cool? Come on in, come with me, come on. There's a little reading nook. See, isn't that cute for kids? And it's got its own little light and its own charging port. Pretty cool.
Little hiding spot.
Little hiding spot. So yeah, the kids plan to put their shoes in here, which is always a good place because where do you put shoes in the cruise cabin? And the thermostat's over here. I think this thermostat is for this side.
Also in the kids' room under the bed are 2 huge drawers that are like suitcase size. So that's super convenient because Ella will have one and Jordan will have one.
Let's check out the bathroom. All right, so this bathroom is a split bathroom, which is great when you have a big family or you have kids with you because someone can be showering and someone can use the commode. All right, let's check out this flush. Ready? It's a big flush. Ooh, powerful flush. All right, so this bathroom has the toilet, has some shelving, your normal stuff. My favorite thing is this little grippy things to keep stuff from falling down. Some towel racks, plug for razors, hair dryers, all the good stuff. All right, so this second bathroom would be where the shower is. And look, it's got my favorite, a real shower door. No shower curtains. If I could pay extra to not have a shower curtain, I would. There's towels, towel storage. There looks like there's some storage in here as well.
Oh, it's pretty. It's good.
All these bright colors everywhere. Royal definitely does a good job with all their bright colors.
We got some plugs here. Nice lit mirror.
Our phone is ringing.
Oh yeah, we gotta get the
Hello?
in the shower.
Who? Cody? Yes. Hi.
Okay, that's the bathroom.
Let's go to where all the magic happens. The main cabin. Come on. So we are lucky enough. We were key members. I guess it's what it's called. We bought the key. So they greeted us with a really nice little fruit bowl, fruit basket. It's very nice. And ignore
Nice
that
fruit
my
bowl.
kid has already taken a bite out of a strawberry.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's a nice little desk / vanity here with lots and lots of storage. Lots of pull-out storage here and here. We haven't really unpacked yet. There's your hair dryer, your Kleenex. I'm gonna guess this is the fridge. Here we go. What a cute little fridge. And pause for a sec. Lots of plugs up here. You have your regular standard American plug. You have this plug, which we have, which a lot of the cruise ships do, which is an international plug. And then we also have this one, which fits the international plug as well as a 3-prong. And then over here we have the couch. If you were to have more people staying in your room, this would be turned into a bed. And this room sleeps 6 people, which is awesome for a cruise ship. Inside our closet, we have the long, for us ladies with these long dresses, we have that over here. We also have this really cool stuff. What are these? Hooks, hang up stuff. Great for our backpacks. And then we have storage over here. Some great storage. Ooh, hi. Storage baskets. Lots and lots and lots of storage.
Ear-shattering.
Ear-shattering storage.
It's free.
And then over here is the bed and the phone, which was great because we just got a phone call getting an upgrade for our massage. Thank you very much, Royal.
A little USB there.
USB ports underneath the lamps. There's also this hidden USB port over here. 2 USB ports over here. If you wanted to store stuff or recharge your camera or something, that's a great place for it. TV. Plug over here, light switch, turn the lights off. You turn all the lights off from bed, which is always a great thing. USB ports, light switch, and this is our infinite balcony, which closes here, but it also, this would be your area that would normally be a balcony, but it's enclosed for more space. We work, obviously, so we're gonna be over here working a lot. And then what's so special is you can actually, can get it to work. It says Captain may close the window due to weather, and it is raining outside, so it looks like we can't roll this down right now, but you can.
Yeah, we'll get a shot later once we're out of the port.
Quick update for our room tour. Our window, the mechanics were broken. Some sort of motor was broken, but look, it's working now. So this rolls down, as you can see, and then you have a balcony. Isn't that nice?
The ocean breeze.
There's the ocean. This is so nice. I love it.
Yeah, so we had a couple mechanics come in here and replace the motor.
Who have now become followers. I heard them in here subscribing, so thanks guys. We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
And then there's also, here babe, stand up back a little bit. So when you roll this up, made me nervous. It stopped for a sec. I was like, oh no.
Do you have to hold it the whole time?
I guess it's not.
Yep, you just have to hold it.
I am holding it.
Oh.
And it keeps stopping, but I think it'll be okay.
Nice and slow.
So there's also these really cool blinds that come down.
12 seconds later.
Perfect napping conditions. So you can take a nap during the day and it's all nice and dark. Look how dark that is. And then it becomes like an inside.
Mm-hmm.
A really big inside.